Good morning, Saraswati.
Morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine. What about you?
Same here, and God blessing are with me, and I hope God bless you also a beautiful and lovely life ahead. Because my always good wishes are always with you, and I also would like to tell you all, I'm a very proud and fortunate member of NST Group of Education that I got such kind of atmosphere and opportunity. I taught many places. I have done my duty there as well. But such kind of support, such kind of people and team I got there, I cannot forget ever, ever and ever. So let's start this question hour session, and I will start this question hour with Saraswati. Saraswati, you have to remember one thing only. Life is actually the problem. Life is full of struggles, full of obstacles, full of problems. So you have to always say to your problems, I am very stronger than you. You cannot defeat me. Okay? I don't say that. Abdul Kalam says that. You say to the problems, I am tough too. आप मुस्कुराहट से कह दीजिए कि हम आपसे बहुत सख्त हैं, आप मेरा कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ये अब्दुल कलाम जी कहते हैं. So you have to answer my question. So my question is that what do you learn from the story, or that is very very close to our heart and very very interesting story, and that has deep message of life for each and everyone who are brought to life. जो जिंदगी से डरते हैं उनके लिए उसमें क्लियर मैसेज है, और युधिष्ठिर वो हो नहीं सकते जो डरते हैं. युधिष्ठिर तो रोक करके पैर मुस्कुराहट से लड़ते हैं. What do you learn from the lesson? We are not afraid to die.
The message and the lesson we learn from the we are not afraid to die chapter is that we have to be a courageous, not a coward, because sometimes problems are too big in front of us, but we have to say problems that we are too big from you. We can achieve everything without you.
What are the best qualities of a good captain?
The best qualities of a good captain is, firstly, the good captain has to maintain their team very well, train their team in a very well manner, that they should try. If they are not trying, they should try. And if their members are some lazy, the captain has to give them motivation, give them medication to prove something. And according to me, the main thing that is have to be the captain is, the captain has to be a very creative mind, because he has to handle a whole team. And if you are handling a team, you have to be a creative mind, and also you have to understand each and every member of that team, because
Or very good. You know DNA is in a Hindi, so I can't help speaking Hindi. So that is a beautiful term in Hindi. बच्चे माँ बाप की कमजोरी होनी चाहिए या मजबूती होनी चाहिए? What do you think? Children should be the strength of parents, or should be the weakness of parents? What do you learn from the "We are not afraid to die" lesson?
children should be the strength of their parents, because sometimes parents felt that my children are not good at this situation. Sometimes parents are giving up because of their children, but at that time the children should proud them their parents that we are with you. You have to face the situation with us, because we love you. You are the best thing, and also the children should be the strength of their parents.
Why did not the children of the captain, who were in deep trouble, who were in the roughest weather in the sea, he was at the verge of the death, he was gonna die. In spite of that, his children also had lots of problems in their heads. They have lots of injuries, even they had. But in spite of that, they did not tell their parents. What is the logic behind that?
Because they know if they tell their parents about that injury, about their anything, their parents will be tense about their children, that they got injury, and they will not focus on that roughest weather and the submarine that they took. They will just focus on their children, as this is the inherent habit of our parents, that firstly they check about their children. So the logic behind this, they didn't tell their parents because of
So that's why I called you here, and she is a shining inspiration for you all. She is Saraswati from standard 11. As her words are coming from her mouth, and I hope all of you also will deliver like that, and you will earn name and fame for both for your school and for your parents and for your nation as well. I wish you all the very best, and may God bless you, and may God shower all the special blessings upon you and your family. Thank you. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Touch them.